Welcome back to the channel, guys. VST here, VSP Tech. This is the Lamborghini Countach. It's a rear mid-engine rear-wheel drive sports car produced by the Italian automobile manufacturer called Lamborghini from the 1974 until the 1990s, and it's designed by the Italian designer Marcello Gandini. Alright, this here is my Samsung S22 Ultra running with the Exynos 2200. Now the question is, what does the Lamborghini Countach have in common with the S22 Ultra? And there is a very short answer. Nothing. Alright? This video is gonna be about updating the Samsung Galaxy Store, as there is a new update. The version is 4.5.426. I'm gonna hit the update button right now, and then I will check what other updates I have. 47 megabytes, guys. That's a bit weird. While I'm not happy to not be able to keep using the old version, if you don't agree with the Galaxy Store being updated, you're practically not allowed to go inside. The Galaxy Store from Samsung actually kind of mimics the Play Store from Google, right? But it's a bit more focused on themes and customizations, and there are plenty of other ways for some of the developers to get your money around. So let's say if we go to applications, we have some featured application, but then we have some themes. Although some of them are free to use, most of them, yeah, just come with a type of price, certain price. If that's your thing, you know, just go do this. And there's some exclusive and etc. What I use it for, I use it to go and check the Samsung stock applications, because I do a lot of videos. And right now we see we have 4 updates: Samsung Gallery Clock, the Always On display, and the Smart Things framework. So let me bring this wonderful Lamborghini Countach here and check if Samsung managed to pull in some changelogs, because you know they are kind of having this sickness where they update things without giving a proper changelog. But hey, what's new for the gallery? We have added a menu to gallery settings that allows you to easily backup media content on an SD card to OneDrive. SD card to OneDrive, this doesn't really make any sense to me. 31 megabytes for this pleasure. The version is 13.1058, so I'm just going to update one. Unfortunately, nothing for us to see and test. Then we have an update for the clock, and also, wow, 2 out of 2. What's new? Proper changelog with nice bullets. The clock style of the analog clock widget has been changed, and other feature improvements and bug fixes have been applied. Again, part of the Hall of Fame classic changelogs bug fixes. So, version is 12.1.2014, 24 megabytes. I read some interesting and funny comments down below the video I did for Android 13, where somebody was saying that Samsung will bloat the hell out of the One UI 5 based on Android 13, and yeah, maybe he has a nice point, probably a valid point. Always on display, all the nice and fancy stuff, and again a changelog, 3 out of 3. Samsung, please somebody give you an Oscar. Fixed clock style and rigid operation errors related to today's schedule. Right, doesn't say too much. And then we have the Smart Things framework, which, oh, again a changelog, 4 out of 4. I think this happens for the first time since I'm using a Samsung phone. Now it's possible to control not only the device by the device type, but also by each device. When it's bedtime and you set it up in the clock app, lights can be dimmed and blinds can be closed. So that's an update for the rich people that do have a very nice home automation. Yeah, automatic blinds. Well, not that type, right? So guys, I'm just gonna try to see these new clock widgets, and that's about the only thing that we are able to test in this round. So clock, all right. Here we have the digital one. Oh, the analog probably looks a bit different. Honestly, I don't really have a clue how it looked previously. I do appreciate the red arrow, and it somehow has a OnePlus vibe, maybe because of the red arrow. I think OnePlus in the belated Oxygen OS were using one of these design elements to put some red like an accent. So this again, the Lambo Countach here. This is the S22 Ultra fully updated, guys. Subscribe for more videos like this. If you like it, well, the like button is still free, I guess, so you can just use it. Thank you very much. Please, your family, stay safe until we meet in one of my next videos. VST over and bye.